Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Excel channel. Today we will see how we can set a page in Excel. First of all, what you have to do is you have to open uh, one blank Excel. Then before writing or before typing anything, just go to File and say Print. You will say we didn't find anything to print. Then what you have to do is just go here, go on page setup, say just OK and come back. Here you can see a dotted line. It is your page setup of A4 size. By default it will take A4. Okay. From here the bottom and above is the top. Okay. And you will get to know this is your page. And if you want to make a page some bigger, then use Ctrl P. This print preview will appear. Go for page setup and go here margin. Set your margin how much you want. Top side I will make 0.5. Left also I will make 0.5. Bottom I will reduce 0.5. Right I will reduce 0.45. Depend upon. Then click on horizontal, like it will adjust horizontal. We don't want to make vertical because if you make a vertical, no, it will be difficult for you to adjust the page. So make horizontal. Then go back. Then your page size will increase, as you can see. So one method you can apply before typing anything on the Excel. I hope you will like this shortcut. Please share and subscribe to my channel 5 Minutes Excel. Thank you.